So today we have Mr. Santosh from Toshiba, Middle East and Africa, and he's the Vice President of the company. And we'll be talking about their presence at GITEX this year. So thank you, Santosh, for speaking to us. Thank you. So we'll start with a brief about the new products and solutions you're focusing on at GITEX this year.
At GITEX this year, we are representing two brands. One is Toshiba, which is focusing on data storage. That's from the consumer storage, that's a personal storage, enterprise storage, and storage for surveillance. And we have another brand which is formerly Toshiba Memory, that's called Kioxia. So we are displaying the memory solutions. That includes the USB flash drives, the micro SD cards, and soon to be launched solid state device, SSD.
Okay. So it's been the fourth day of GITEX. What kind of feedback have you received from people who have attended and seen your stand?
Yeah, we have seen tremendous response. I'm really surprised to see the city getting back to normal, people believing in what is action being taken to control the COVID in this part of the region. So I'm really surprised to see a lot of participation from outside UAE. Like we have a lot of visitors from Africa, we have a lot of visitors from Egypt. So that's a good GITEX for us, because it was very difficult for the last 2 years to reach out to these markets. And now with this GITEX, we were able to reach out to many channel partners and partners who are interested in promoting these products in their region.
So as a brand, Toshiba is very big in various series of products,
Yes.
specifically for say gaming or security or SMBs. In terms of gaming, have you seen a major uptake over the past 1.5 years?
Well, gaming has seen a humongous leaps and bounds of growth, especially during the pandemic, right? So, and then it's just evolved with a lot of new PlayStations coming in and Xbox coming in, and then people need storage, because an active gamer will not be happy with just one game. They need to have at least 15 games. But then these new devices has got SSD limited storage space. So where do they store this? So Toshiba has come up with the Canvio Gaming hard disk drive. So where you will store your favorite games in these hard disk drives, and that's fine-tuned for gaming purpose. So it's stored on the FAT, and then it's easy to access them while you're playing these games.
In terms of security solutions as well, we've seen a lot of uptake because people started working from home and they needed these kind of products. You have specialized drives for surveillance products as well. Can you tell us about that?
Toshiba has seen a phenomenal growth in surveillance industry, especially the surveillance storage. Though we started late, just 2 years back, we have grown from a 0.7% market share to more than 20-25% market share. And markets like Saudi, we have almost 50% market share. So that's because this is a dedicated surveillance storage. Yeah, because generally people used to use PC drives for surveillance, and now there are government restrictions where you need to keep the storage for 6 to 7 months. You need to have, most of the cameras are high definition, so you can't use the PC hard drives. And plus this needs to work 24/7. It needs to withstand extreme temperature, low and high. So Toshiba's surveillance, the S300 series, is done phenomenally well in this region. And we are adding in more products, bigger capacity, so which will help us to store high definition content in these storage devices.
And Toshiba Memory was transitioned into Kioxia now. So you have memory products under that as well, like memory cards and flash drives as well. And you also mentioned that you're coming with SSD drives. Can you tell us briefly about the Kioxia brand and the brand awareness that it has generated over the past years?
This brand Kioxia was launched on 1st of October 2019, and the retail products were launched in April 2020. Maybe everybody thought what's happening, a new brand coming in at that time. But the brand has done extremely well. The brand equity has gone up from 0 to many markets is more than 15%. The brand recognition is more than 50% in UAE and Saudi, South Africa. So this is a brand which is earlier was Toshiba Memory. Now it's called Kioxia, which means Kyoku in Japanese is a Japanese word, which is called memory. And Axia is a Greek word called value. So it's adding value to memory. And it's all about the data we all produce. We earlier, few years back, we were talking of few gigabytes or even MBs, right? Then it became GB, then it became petabytes, terabytes. So world is talking by 2025, we're going to have 165 zettabytes of data that will be produced. And all these needs to be stored. And most of these data, apart from being corporate, they have a proper storage system where the businesses are going to analyze those data. Personal data, we are all creating all those personal data, but we need to have them, right? There are cloud options, but we still do a lot of building blocks for cloud, but I still feel people should have personal storage with them to save their precious memory. So you have the USB drives, you have the micro SD drives, right? You have the SD cameras, SD cards for your cameras. So this is going to be a phenomenal business. People will still own and store on their pictures and their precious memory on these kind of devices. And then now the PC is slowly transitioning from hard drives to SSD because that's more faster, it makes the PC lighter. So we've seen a huge demand for SSD. So most of these devices now PC devices are going to have SSD. And now the personal storage also will be the external SSD. Though the cost per GB is still high because the NAND production is still in demand. So hard drives also will be there for data which is not frequently used, right? So you use hard drives for that. So it's going to be a hybrid. So where data you want to use it more frequently, you're going to use SSD in the enterprise side or even on your personal side. So you'll have a PC with the SSD, your backup could be a hard drive. So we have a complete 360 offering on the data storage.
Okay. And looking forward beyond 2021, 2022 is just a couple of months away. What sort of channel marketing strategies do you have in mind moving forward?
Channel is a key part of our ecosystem. No, we don't do any direct sales, and our strategy is go local, right? So we don't have a strategy made out of our regional headquarters here in UAE and roll it out in Africa. No, we don't do that. So we go to these markets, develop the channel there, work out channel programs and in tune to the market requirements, and we've been successful. That's why in each market we have more than 30% market share.
Thank you, Mr. Santosh, for speaking to Araman Risala.
Yeah.
Nice speaking with you, and we look forward to speaking to you again in the future.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.